बोला लास्ट क्लास में आई थिंक मैंने ये प्रूफ किया था tan अल्फा इंटू अल्फा बाई 2 इंटू tan बीटा बाई 2 इक्वल टू 1 माइनस ई अपॉन 1 प्लस ए, राइट? इसी को प्रूफ किया था ना. So now next topic is tangent to the hyperbola. So now see. This is a y-axis, this is a x-axis. X-axis is called transverse axis. And so now, can anyone say what will the parametric equation? Parametric क्या लेंगे? Point A sec theta, comma B tan theta. हम parametric point लेते हैं for the hyperbola. This is a tangent line, this is a tangent line. So now tangent line equation is y equal to mx plus c, and this is a hyperbola equation, x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. So for identity we can say point P will be the a sec theta and b tan theta, right? Because we know sec squared theta minus tan squared theta is equal to 1. So for using this identity, we get point in parametric form. Point will be a sec theta and b tan theta. So we need to find the equation of tangent to the hyperbola. First is what will the equation of tangent to the hyperbola. In every conic section, tangent and normal ही पूरे पढ़ने पूरे कॉनिक सेक्शन में टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल्स के बारे में. उसके बाद सो P ऑलमोस्ट x1 y1. सो इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट टू द हाइपरबोला एट x1 y1 क्या लिखेंगे? x इंटू x1 अपॉन a स्क्वायर माइनस y इंटू y1 बाई b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1. सिमिलर यही करते थे ना इलिप्स में, और वहां पे प्लस होता था, राइट? x इंटू x1 बाई a स्क्वायर प्लस हो जाता था. So equation of tangent at point x1 comma y1 given है तो लिख दिए, right? First equation. Now second equation, what will the second equation of tangent to the hyperbola at P point a sec theta b tan theta. The point a sec theta. So now it means x1 is equal to a sec theta, right? And y1 is equal to given b sin theta, b tan theta. So put in from one, get the x into a sec theta. Only sec x1 को sec theta, a sec theta put together a square minus y into b tan theta by b square equal to 1. So now x sec theta by a minus y tan theta by b is equal to 1. So this is the equation of tangent at point a sec theta and b tan theta. So we need to remember these things to at point x1 how to write the tangent, and at point a sec theta b tan theta, right? Now third point is third इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट. इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट हम लोग डिफरेंट फॉर्म में क्यों पढ़ते हैं? डिफरेंट फॉर्म में इसलिए पढ़ते हैं ताकि हमें अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन वी कैन अप्लाई ऑल द टेंजेंट फार्मूला. सो नाउ इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट इन टर्म्स ऑफ slope. In terms of slope, it means let y equal to mx plus c be a tangent line. Tangent to the hyperbola. So now mx minus y plus c equal to 0. Let first equation. So can anyone can find the equation of tangent similar like ellipse? How to find? Everyone try to do that equation of tangent to the hyperbola. Please do that. Try to do. मैंने इलिप्स का टेंजेंट का इक्वेशन कैसे लिखा था? y इक्वल टू mx प्लस माइनस रूट अंडर a स्क्वायर m स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर. ये हमारा इलिप्स का इक्वेशन था, इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट. सिमिलरली also like that equation of tangent to the hyperbola आएगा, right? So we need to find like that. So we need to find c value basically. How to find the c value? Just do that. Everyone try to find out the c value and say the equation, please. Everyone. Shrisha, can you
Sir?
do? Can you do? We need to find, remove c. So I want to know the equation of tangent in terms of slope. So here you can see y equal to mx plus c. C is also variable, m is also variable, but you want to not see the variable. C is also in terms of a and b and m. So what will the c value? So we need to find in terms of a, b and m. मैंने इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट बताया था इन इलिप्स. सिमिलरली इसको भी आप आइडेंटिटी का यूज करके कीजिए. आदिति, आर यू डूइंग? शाई, सेम थिंग कीजिए, आइडेंटिटी यूज कीजिए. आइडेंटिटी देखिए, पहला इक्वेशन ए टेंजेंट का इक्वेशन लिखिए, सेकंड इक्वेशन है, अब ए भी थर्ड, ये भी टेंजेंट का इक्वेशन है. बोथ आर आइडेंटिकल. इक्वेशन 2 एंड थर्ड दोनों टेंजेंट का इक्वेशन है बेसिकली. सो आर आइडेंटिकल. जब आइडेंटिकल होते हैं तो क्या होता है, उनको कोएफिशिएंट का जो रेशियो होता है वो बेसिकली सेम होता है, राइट? सो फ्रॉम द इक्वेशन 1 सेकेंड कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x क्या है? sec थीटा बाय a, राइट? एंड फ्रॉम इक्वेशन थर्ड कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x क्या है? m, राइट? सो बाय m. गॉट इट? So m coefficient आ गया and equal to, similarly you can write minus tan theta by b and minus 1, right? So get minus 1 plus is equal to 1 upon if you take the 1 is minus 1 equal to 0, so minus 1 upon c. Got it? So now we need to find sec theta and tan theta. So sec theta is equal to sec theta upon m is equal to 1 by c minus 1 by c. So get sec theta is equal to minus am by c. And similarly tan theta by b is equal to minus 1 by c. So get tan theta is equal to b by c minus b by c. If you know the tan theta and sec theta, we can apply the identity formula. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, right? So this will be the identity equation, we know now. So sec theta is equal to, put a square m square by c square minus tan theta is b square by c square is equal to 1. So get c square is equal to a square m square minus b square, right? So c square equal to a square m square minus b square. This is called condition of for tangency. Condition for tangency. टेंजेंट होने के लिए कोई लाइन को कंडीशन है कि सी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर एम स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर होना चाहिए, मस्ट बी. सो वी नो गोट ना सी इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस रूट अंडर ए स्क्वायर एम स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. गॉट इट? सो इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट क्या हो जाएगा? इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट to the hyperbola is y equal to mx plus c. C is plus minus root under a square m square minus b square. This is the equation of tangent in slope form, right? Got it? Everyone understood? We need to remember these things. and we know now how to get these things. So we need to know how to use the identities, and sin square theta plus cos square theta, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So get the answer. Similar equation of tangent to the hyperbola ellipse में क्या होता है, यहाँ पे प्लस हो जाता है, राइट? ellipse का equation of tangent to the ellipse क्या आता है? ellipse we already पढ़ा है ना, y is equal to mx plus minus root under a square m square plus b square. Only difference in here plus minus, right? So we need to remember, if one एक भी याद होगा तो आपको अदर याद हो जाएगा. आपको इलिप्स में क्या याद रखना है? माइनस बी स्क्वायर होता है, सॉरी माइनस बी स्क्वायर हाइपरबोला में, एंड इलिप्स में प्लस का बी स्क्वायर, राइट? So got it? Everything is clear? So we need to remember this formula. Y is equal to mx plus minus root under a square m square minus b square. Everything is clear? Everything is clear? Srisha? Srisha, doubt है?
No doubt, sir.
Minal?
No, sir.
Minal? Shai?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So I'm writing one question. Please do that. Already मैंने ellipse में कैसा question कराया. Condition for tangency क्या होता है? Condition for tangency is this: c square equal to a square m square minus b square. This is the condition for tangency. Tangent होने के लिए c square जो होगा वो equal to a square m square minus b square के equal. So now one question on this topic, from this question topic. Question is, if the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p touches the hyperbola that is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, then p square is, आपको p square का वैल्यू बताना, p square क्या होगा? Please do that, everyone. Everyone got the answer? Hello? Aditi, you got the answer? Srisha? A answer आया, p square is equal to a square cos square alpha minus b square sine square alpha. This is the answer. P square equal to. Anyone get the same answer? Simple question. We need to apply the condition for tangency. Given is x cos alpha plus y sine alpha is equal to p. Touch the hyperbola. Touch the hyperbola. It means it's a equation of tangent. Tangent का line का equation है. This is a tangent line. So condition for tangency क्या होता है? Condition for tangency, अगर ये लाइन टेंजेंट होना है, इट मींस कि ए फॉलो करना होगा सी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर एम स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. सो वी नीड, so from line this we can say m is equal to slope is minus of slope of tangent line we can say minus cos alpha upon sin alpha. Got it? So now c square is equal to c is p square, right? C is nothing but p square. You can see now p square. So p square is equal to a square minus cos alpha beta sin alpha a square minus b square. Get p square is equal to a square cos square alpha minus b square sin square alpha. And also p by sin alpha na, c is p by sin alpha. Sorry, so p sin square alpha so p square is equal to a square cos square alpha minus b square sin square alpha. We can see now, we can write y is equal to minus x cos alpha beta sin alpha plus p by sin alpha, right? So if you compare y equal to mx plus c, get m is equal to minus cos alpha beta sin alpha and c is equal to p by sin alpha. So apply c square equal to a square m square minus b square. क्लियर है? मैंने इलिप्स से क्वेश्चन सेम क्वेश्चन कराया है. Now next question. I'm writing one more question on this topic. Question is, find the equation of tangent to the hyperbola that is x square minus 4y square equal to 36. Hyperbola equation given है, which is perpendicular to the line x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Please everyone do that. आपको इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट फाइंड करना है टू द हाइपरबोला x square minus 4y square equal to 36, which is perpendicular to the line x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Aditi, are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Srisa?
Yes, you're doing.
Good. Everyone got the answer? First question. Minal, did you do?
No, sir, doing.
Sai, आप कर लिए? इजी है, मैंने इंग्लिश में भी सेम क्वेश्चन इसी टाइप का कराया हुआ है। जब भी इस तरह के सवाल हो कि लाइन इज परपेंडिकुलर टू एंड पैरेलल टू, so we need to apply the equation of tangent in slope form, right? So question number 1 given क्या है, x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 लाइन है, एंड जो टेंजेंट का जो लाइन स्लोप परपेंडिकुलर है, राइट? सो इसका एक स्लोप क्या हो जाएगा, स्लोप y is equal to x plus 4, so m1 is equal to 1, so स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट क्या हो जाएगा, स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट is equal to -1 m2, because if line is perpendicular, it means m1 m2 equal to -1, so m2 is equal to -1. You got the m value, right? So everything is got it. X square minus 4y square equal to 36. This is the equation of hyperbola. So now divide by 36, get x square by 36 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1. So equation of tangent क्या लिखेंगे in slope form? Equation of tangent in slope form. Equation of tangent to the hyperbola, y is equal to mx plus minus root under a square m square minus b square. यही होता है ना? So everything is known. So put the value y is equal to m is -1, right? -1 into x plus minus root under a square. A square is 36 minus 1 square minus 9 b square. So y is equal to minus x plus minus root under 36 minus 9. That will be the 27, right? 27 means 3 root 3. So this is the equation of tangent. Sai, you got the same answer? Now please do that second question. Everyone do that second question. Question is, if m1, and m2 are the slope of the tangent to the hyperbola from the point 6 comma 2. So can you say, Minal, 6 comma 2 is outside the hyperbola or inside the hyperbola? Minal, can you say point 6 comma 2 lie inside the hyperbola or outside the hyperbola? मैंने पहले पढ़ाया है ना, how to find the point inside or outside to the hyperbola. Aditi, 6 comma 2 is inside the hyperbola or outside the hyperbola? Please do that, everyone. Veda, are you doing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. आप equation of tangent लिख दीजिए, right? And because 6 comma 2 is outside the hyperbola, right? If outside the hyperbola, it means two tangent can be drawn. So let's make the pass करा दीजिए tangent का equation जो आप लिखते हैं slope form में y equal to and passes to जो 6/2 से करा के आप वो m में quadratic equation लगा दीजिए and apply the quadratic अपने quadratic का लगा दीजिए products of roots, sum of roots, like that. Srisa, are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Aditi, you got the answer? Or still doing? मैं कर दूं? Let's see, I am solving the question. Question number 2. Question number 2. Given is 6,2 से tangent draw गया है 6,2. So this is a P point 6,2 and let's say slope is M1 and this is a M2. This is a tangent line, tangent. Equation of hyperbola is x square by 25 minus y square by 16 equal to 1. So now we need to find 1 by m1 square plus 1 by m2 square, right? So we know now equation of tangent y equal to mx plus minus root under a square m square minus b square. So now we know if tangent like this tangent line which passes through 6 comma 2, so it is passes through 6 comma 2. So 2 is equal to 6m plus minus root under a square m square minus b square. So 2 minus 6m is equal to plus minus root under a square. A square is 25 m square minus b square is 16. So now a squaring both side कर दीजिए, squaring both side. Then squaring it means 4 plus 4 minus 24 m plus 36 m square is equal to 25 m square minus 16. So now 11 m square minus 24 m plus 12 is equal to 20 is equal to 0. So now this is the quadratic equation in m, right? So इसका roots कितने होंगे? 2 roots, right? Let m1 and m2 is the 2 roots for this equation. m1 and m2 will be the 2 roots. So now we can apply sum of roots. m1 plus m2 is equal to minus b by a. It means 24 by 11. m1 m2 is equal to c by a, that is 20 by 11. So now we need to find 1 by m1 square plus 1 by m2 square, right? So it means m2 square plus m1 square upon m1 m2 whole square. So how can find the m1 square plus m2 square? We can apply m1 plus m2 square minus 2 times m1 m2 upon m1 m2 square. Put the value m1 plus m2, that is 24 by 11 square minus 2 times 20 by 11 upon 20 by 11 square. Get 70 by 15, 17 by 50. So this is the answer for this question. We know now how m1 square plus m2 square, that is, we know now a plus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So m1 square plus m2 square is a plus b, m1 plus m2 square minus 2 times m1 m2. Everyone understood? Sai, any doubt? Srisha, समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
समझ में आ गया सर.
Okay, good. Now, one question. Question is, if the line 2x plus root under 6y equal to 2 touches the hyperbola x square minus 2y square, x square minus 2y square equal to 4, then the point of contact क्या होगा आपको बताना है. It means कि किस पॉइंट पे टेंजेंट ड्रॉ किए गए हो. Find out point of contact. If you remember point of contact, मैं नोट पॉइंट में लिख देता हूँ point of contact क्या होता है. Note point of contact का जो कोऑर्डिनेट होता है equal to, let P coordinate plus minus A square M by C plus minus B square by C. This is the point of contact. Point of contact. If you don't know the formula, point of contact plus minus A square M by C plus minus B square by C. So you got the answer ना? अगर आप इस क्वेश्चन को आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट, इफ यू रिमेंबर दिस फार्मूला, पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट इज नथिंग बट एक्सपोनेंशियल प्लस माइनस रूट अंडर ए, सॉरी, ए स्क्वायर m by c plus minus b square by c. So if you apply this formula, get given line is 2x plus root 6y equal to 2 is the tangent line, touch the. So now y is equal to minus 2 by root 6 x plus 2 by root 6. So if you compare y equal to mx plus c, get m is equal to minus 2 by root 6 and c is equal to 2 by root 6. So now point of contact is that is P equal plus minus a square m. A square is here x square minus 2y square equal to 4 is given. It means x square by 4 minus y square by 2 equal to 1 is given. So a square is 4. So 4 m is minus 2 by root 6 and c is 2 by root 6. And now b is plus minus b square. B square is basically b square is 2 by c. C is nothing but 2 by root 6. So get the point of contact is P is got the point of contact, right? So P is equal to point of contact is root 6 we cancel out and 2 we cancel out, minus 4 comma plus minus 2 to cancel out root 6. This is the point of contact, minus 4 comma root 6. So it means plus minus na plus minus, so plus minus now is first time plus minus and minus. So get P point is minus plus minus plus 4 plus minus root 6. It means point of contact is minus 4 comma root 6 and plus 4 comma minus root 6. This will be the point of contact. Got it? So we need to remember these things. The point of contact is this formula. If you don't know the formula, you can apply basic thing. If you अगर आपको याद नहीं हो फॉर्मूला तो आप कैसे करेंगे? Y is equal to given क्या है? Y is equal to tangent line is given 2x plus root 6y equal to 2 and equation is x square by 4 minus y square by 2 is equal to 1. So now let the point of contact is P, that is x1 comma y1. So now equation of tangent आप क्या लिखेंगे? Equation of tangent at P, that is x1 comma y1. Now x1 x into x1 by 4 minus y into y1 by 2 is equal to 1. So this is also tangent equation and this is also tangent equation, right? Both are tangent, equation 1 and equation 2. So both must be identical, right? So x1 by 4 upon 2 coefficient of x equal to minus y1 by 2 and root 6 is equal to 2 by 1. So get x1 is equal to 16. So different. Sorry, mistake. Coefficient x1 by 4 upon क्या लिखेंगे आप coefficient 2 upon x1 by 4 equal to root 6 by y minus y1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, so get x1 y1. So we need to remember this formula. This is the formula for point of contact. Now, one more question about this topic. Tangents, not question. Product of the tangent, product of the length, product of the length of the perpendicular drawn from foci on any tangent to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 is product of the length of the perpendicular drawn from foci on any tangent to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 is. Please find out. Everyone try to do. बोल सकता हूँ शायद क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया ना मैंने इलिप्स में से कुछ बताया प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द लेंथ ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉन फ्रॉम फोकस ऑफ एनी tangent to the hyperbola is आपको फाइंड करना है बेसिकली we need to write the equation of tangent to the hyperbola y equal to mx plus minus root under a square m square minus b square right and find out the length of perpendicular tangent length of perpendicular from foci a comma 0 and minus a comma 0 and find out the product of perpendicular distance get the if you simplify get the answer will be minus b square answer will be minus b square try to do answer is minus b square and also we need to remember product of the length of perpendicular dot is minus b square we need to remember please try to do मेरे जैसा ऑर्डर समझ लो भाई साहब
अरे वो छोड़ो, तुम बताओ, बिजी आदमी लोग, टाइम मिल गया तुम्हें?
Aditi, are you doing? Shy? Can you see? This first focus is dash is coordinate is minus AE comma 0, and now AC is AE comma 0. This is the perpendicular line. This is the also perpendicular line. So let P1 is the length and P2. So we need to find P1 P2 is equal to minus B square. ये होगा P1 P2 is equal to minus B square. So you know now how to write a tangent line, tangent. So equation of tangent that is y equal to mx plus minus root under a square m square minus b square. So now we can find the perpendicular distance P1. So P1 will be P1 is equal to a comma 0, x is a comma 0. So am a minus y is 0 plus minus root under a square m square minus b square upon root under 1 plus m square. And similarly P2 is m times minus a plus minus root under a square m square minus b square root under 1 plus m square. So now we need to find P1 P2. Asking is what P1 P2. So find the do the product. So if you do the product, get the answer and simplify that. So basically this is a mod, perpendicular mod, because distance is allocative. So apply a square minus b square formula, right? A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, m square, a square, e square minus, or you can write like that, a square m square minus b square minus m square a square e square, right, upon 1 plus m square. Now if you simplify, a square m square minus m square a square e square minus b square upon 1 plus m square. Now take m square common. So m square common, a square minus m square simplify this. Apply the e square equal to get like that. So apply e square equal to is, you know now b is in hyperbola, we need to remove e square, right? So we know now b square equal to a square 1 minus e square. So b square by a square, or you can apply es directly, you can replace a square e square, a square e square. So b square a square minus a square e square, right? So a square e square is nothing but a square minus b square, right? So replace a square with a square minus b square, get a square m square minus m square into a square minus b square upon 1 plus m square. Now a square m square minus m square a square plus m square b square minus b square upon 1 plus m square, right? So m cancel out and get take b square common, minus b square, get 1 plus a square upon 1 plus m square. Minus also minus, no? So also minus, so minus. So get 1 plus m square cancel out, get minus b square. Only solution is typical calculation. We need to remove, replace a square equal to a square minus b square and simplify that, get the minus b square. So we need to remember P1 and P2 is equal to products of perpendicular is minus b square. So we need to remember, question will ask directly in IIT-JEE. Everyone understood? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Srisha, doubt है?
No, sir.
Veda, any doubt?
No, sir.
Aditi, clear है? Concept is clear? Aditi, just confirm concept is clear?
Yes, sir.